This is Bob. Every day after school, he buys a burger from the school cafeteria. But one day, something strange happens. Just yesterday, a burger cost $1. Now it costs $2, even though the burger itself hasn't changed at all. So why did the price go up? That's inflation. Inflation is the increase in the prices of goods and services over time. But what causes it? Inflation caused by too much money. At the beginning of the school year, most parents gave their kids around $3 to $5 in allowance. Because of that, many students only bought burgers occasionally. But then parents started giving their kids $10 instead. Now almost every student can afford a burger every day. There is more money in the school. There are more buyers, but the number of burgers stays the same. Demand goes up. The cafeteria owner notices this and raises the price. The burger becomes more expensive. Inflation caused by a shortage of goods. Every morning, trucks deliver ingredients to the school cafeteria. But one day, aliens abduct one of the delivery trucks. Yes, that sounds ridiculous. But now the cafeteria only receives half as many ingredients, which means it can only make half as many burgers. The number of hungry students hasn't changed. Everyone still wants lunch. There are fewer burgers, but the same number of buyers. The price starts to rise. Inflation expectations. One day, a rumor spreads throughout the school. Students hear that burgers will become even more expensive tomorrow. As a result, everyone rushes to buy burgers today. Some students even buy several at once. Demand suddenly skyrockets. The cafeteria owner sees the massive line and raises prices immediately. This creates an interesting situation. People expect prices to rise. Because of that, they buy more. And that extra demand causes prices to rise even further. Hyperinflation. One day, the school principal decides to make everyone rich. So he installs a money printing machine in the hallway. Now every student can print as much money as they want. At first, everyone is thrilled. Students suddenly have hundreds and even thousands of dollars. But the number of burgers doesn't change. There is more and more money, but the same number of burgers. Prices begin rising faster and faster. First, a burger costs $2, then $20, then $200, then $2,000. A few months later, students have to bring backpacks full of cash just to buy a single burger. This is called hyperinflation. It's when prices rise extremely fast and money rapidly loses its value. So there's a simple pattern. When there is more money or fewer goods, prices usually rise. But what happens if there are too many goods? That's when deflation begins. Deflation is a decrease in the prices of goods and services over time. Deflation caused by increased production. Burgers are selling incredibly well, so the cafeteria buys new equipment and starts making far more burgers than before. Now there are more burgers than students who want to buy them. Some burgers start sitting unsold on the counter. To sell everything, prices have to come down. The more goods become available, the cheaper they can become. Deflation caused by lower demand. One day, students begin bringing food from home. Some bring salads, some bring fruit, others decide to start eating healthier. There are fewer customers in the cafeteria. Burger sales begin to fall. To attract more buyers, the cafeteria lowers its prices. Demand drops, and prices drop with it. Technological deflation. After a while, the cafeteria buys a new burger-making machine. It works several times faster than a human worker. It doesn't need breaks, and it doesn't collect a paycheck. As a result, producing burgers becomes much cheaper. Costs go down, and so does the price of a burger. The price of a burger depends on more than just the burger itself. It is influenced by the amount of money in circulation, the number of available goods, consumer demand, and production costs. When there is more money or fewer goods, inflation tends to occur. When there are more goods or lower demand, deflation tends to occur. That's why the exact same burger can cost $1 today, $2 tomorrow, $5 next month, or even $1,000 in extreme situations.